So it has been just a few weeks since we released Portals, which is a print-on-demand app where you can upload a 3D model and start selling prints in about 30 seconds. Literally. And if somebody orders it, Slant3D will print and ship the item for you. But that is amazing and incredible because anyone in the world can upload a model and start selling anywhere else in the world without having to build any factories or infrastructure. But that doesn't mean it's perfect. There are still plenty of problems with Portals and things that it can't do that we need to go over. Problem number one, it doesn't make a good burger. When I want to start up a 3D printing business, I want to make sure that I am well fed at the start of it all. Problem number two, colors and materials and availability. There are 10 million colors out there that humans can see, and there's another 100,000 different plastics out there that people could make stuff out of. We don't have all of them on Portals yet, but we are adding them as fast as possible. If you have the need for a particular material, if you need 10 kilograms minimum per month of usage of that material from your past sales, go ahead and let us know, and we will absolutely add in that material into Portals for you, and we're working to add in other materials based on user requests as fast as we can. So continue to tell us, and then as we get enough demand for certain things, we introduce them as quickly as we possibly can. But we can guarantee that we will almost never get all of them. Problem number three, branding. You're not able to brand my website on Portals. Yes, you are. As of just this last week when we were filming this video, you are actually able to create custom templates that can match your brand. Right now you can select from 4 different styles of templates, which are the dark mode, classic, modern, different ways of making your store appear so that it matches closer to what your brand and what your items are. So if you're selling vases, you might not want like a gamery looking store. So we have deployed that, and all you have to do is go up to edit my profile once you've created a couple of portals, and then you can change your profile and your portals pages to have the template that is closest to what your brand is. And we will continue to build that out over time. Problem number 4, traffic. Etsy gets so much more organic traffic. No, actually not. Portals are publicly available, and you will have Google search traffic appearing in your portals and some organic search traffic as well on Portals itself. Slant3D has been testing, marketing internally, promoting certain portals that have good products and good leeway. We will also be adding in more advertising tools so that you can generate traffic towards your portals as well. This is all coming down the pipe, but right now, currently, Portals has a reasonable amount of organic traffic to where if you have a portal and you just created it, it will probably be shown to a few people just uploading it, just as much as with Etsy. But with Etsy, what people don't realize is that there is not actually as much organic as you think. If you have a good product, you get organic, but if you have a good product on Portals, you also get organic. So with Etsy, you have to buy ads, you have to promote it, you have to run the business. It's not gonna automatically sell for you. No product will ever automatically sell for you. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it never will be. But we are doing all we can to get more people over to your portals as you possibly can. That starts with Google Search Analytics, the own organic traffic from people around in portals who may run into you, our own sharing. You have access to this channel and our own promotion channels to promote your portals, and we are putting in more advertising tools as well. So there will be more traffic to your portals, but ultimately, yes, Portals was designed to be a social media selling tool to where you can just put a link into the bio of your Instagram page. That is what it's optimized for, so that people see your product in a video as they're scrolling, and then they can go ahead and buy it right there. If you want to learn how to promote your products through social media and organic content, we have a couple other videos that I recommend watching here on this channel, so subscribe, and we'll continue to train people about how to do it. The secret? Turn on a camera and start filming. And last, problem number 5. I need magnets included with my parts. Done. We have done that. Portals has third-party parts included now. So if you go over when you're creating a portal, there's a little toggle at the top that goes advanced or basic. Go ahead and flip that to advanced, and you will have the option to start using third-party parts. We have an entire catalog from wireless charging pucks to lamps to magnets to screws. And if you need a particular part, just reach out to us directly at support@slant3d.com, and we will do our best to get it added in there. We've been very generous about adding in third-party parts for people so that if you need a part, we will make it available for you and have it in stock if you've been using the app for a bit. So you can absolutely include magnets. We do not do the assembly, but you can have them included with any of your parts at all. So if you're making cosplay or kits or organizer sets or anything else, you can include magnets that your users can then install or include any other sorts of way. And those are the problems that we know of today. Hopefully we've gotten most of them fixed, and a lot of them will continue to evolve over time because we will never be perfect and not everything will be perfect. We have improved quality by miles. We've improved capacity by miles. We have improved now your own templating and control of portals. And now we will go ahead and continue getting more customers and more people in the door to make sure that you guys are as successful as you possibly can be. Because the entire point of portals was to allow a kid in Africa to just create an item and then sell it anywhere in the world without having to know anything about shipping, anything about internationalization or international rule, or how to build a print farm, or how to deal with any of this stuff. It makes it so easy that a person can just upload a model of their product and that product is for sale. And whether you sell 1 or 1 million, you have all the support and infrastructure to do it. So I recommend checking out Portals if you haven't, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel to get more updates and other tricks about how to grow your 3D printing business in general. Have a great day, everybody.